this video we move to 3.17. Within this class and interface small group is we talk about combination, the joint to discuss hide, remove, and restore. Why? And also for this tagged element and wildcard. So I will explain through the several demos to see why you must have a tagged element when you're talking about restore from remove. So let's do this testing, and I hope you can already watch the last three at least. How to hide certain contents, how to hide the class itself using show hide, and how to remove. We're only talking about the remove. We haven't talked about restore. Restore is this video. So, but this dollar tags will be our thing. We need to understand clearly. And next video is the last one for group 4 is to hide or remove certain unlinked class. That is one of the trigger switch. So let's do this 3.17. You can put the dollar tags using a dollar on element, then remove, hide, or restore components either individually or by tag. By default, all components are displayed. So if you don't make hide or don't make the remove, whenever you create an element, it will be shown. So let's do this C03 17.1. So now this plugin is working perfectly. So first one is we create C1 and in class enum is E1 and the interface I1. So let's create that is class C1 enum E1 and interface I1. So if you just put in that, you get these three, and we can make that C1 simply with this one, or you can use some other notation. So C1 connect to I1, so this class connect to this interface, and you can also making this interface I1 may have our certain relation to E1. So let's make that horizontal. So that not make. So then we add another link. So from here to here. So just for demo purpose. So if you want to do this, this is the default. So if you don't have any the tags, you already have this default one. So you can make the tag like this tag 13. So class is tag 13. There's no any effect if you just show everything. So let's see. So here, so you don't see any difference. So let's use that as our base, and then we're starting to create the second one. You can hide the tag. So let's see here. So now if I have this second one, let me close this first one. So we can put in here. So hide, we already learned this, you can hide C1. So if you wanted to just based on the name. And hide we compare with remove during the last video. Is hide is means just like are you delete from view or from this diagram, so it's still in your model. So that's why it's not make this relayout. But if you do the remove C1, it will be relayout because C1 is completely gone from your model. But now is I put 13 and after tag 13 for both C1 and I1. Instead of I do this hide C1, I can see it's whether I can do this one line. So it will be arrow. So if you want to hide C1 and I1, you need to run 2 lines of code. But now is if you give them our common tag, so you can put this tag 13. So then these two are just hide altogether. And then that is our kind of the usage of tag. You can make that as your kind of the identifier and use that to group certain one is into some logical this commonality. And then this show, let's see, so I want to show C1 back. So you can make that back, but since I1 is gone, this hide based on this tag 13, so the relationship between C1 I1 and E1 I1 are still not shown. But if you want to show I1, so you will get also I1 E1 the relationship back. So so you can use tag to have some certain group with multiple the element that you want to do some hide or show with this altogether instead of doing that one by one. So that is the this hide the usage. So we apply that is now you know is you can also hide based on tag and show based on the name. So then that will be the easier. So but let's see. So if I have class C2, so I also gave that is maybe is tag 13, and then here is tag 12 with $, and here with $, tag 12. So instead of this, so let's comment that. So by default is everything is displayed. Let's see, so tag, I tag is 13. So all these 3 will be disappear. Now is I use a show. I can also show based on tag. So now is I want to show 12. So this I1 C2 will back because the tag 12 are linking to these last 2 the element. They can be the different type. You can see it can be include the interface together with class. So using this way, so you can precisely to make certain show and hide is if you have a complex this class diagram, you may have a logical group with different scenario. Then you can hide something and those show something. So that is the second one. And then this we let's test this remove. So actually I already show you some remove, but let's use this specific number 3 to do that. So if I do, I know I have everything shown. So let's do this tag 13. So remove tag 13. Don't forget about this $. So I remove tag 13, then is you can see compared to this hide is now is a relayout. Relayout means those elements are already gone. So if you want to show tag 12, let's see. You can see you cannot do that because show is paired with hide. Hide means delete from your view. So that element or those elements are still in your model. So you can show means it's display back. But remove is delete from your model. So when you want to show it's not found tag 12 anymore from your model. So show cannot be used together with remove. So this one will not get any effect. So no effect. Show. Let me see. Show. Is tired using this hide, not remove. So let's ensure we have this one. So remove this, but then is how we can restore that, make that back. So that is the keywords we need to learn is paired with remove is restore. So you cannot use the show to do those, but you can restore something. So like is now I have the tag 12. I want to restore $tag 12. So you can see from here is 12 are these I1 and C2. They are back. But how maybe is I can see how maybe let's see. I put this just a comment. Can I restore based on the removed one? I just restore I1. Let's see. So you can restore by name as well. So, but if you use tag, now you can manage those as our logical group, as I mentioned. So you can remove. Now it's also you can remove by this wildcard. So let's see. So if I comment them, everything back. If I remove start, so everything gone. So remove that is means the everything, and I can remove everything and just restore tag 13. Then I have this 3 back. Restore tag 13. So let me see. Tag 1. Remove something. Tag 13. So string is not back. Let's see 12. No. So if I want to see, I restore E1. No. So remove everything, restore this one. So this is not work. So if I put this C2 and restore, remove $tag 12. So if I don't have that, I have the I1 C2 removed. And I restore this one, so I restore C2. But the interesting thing is my version in this VS Code is if I remove by the wildcard, then it's not back. So this one, I think it's a restore by this one is not, and restore by $tag 13 is also not back. So this can be our question. So I also need to check with the forum whether these are some function missing or bug. So, but this one I normally as I don't use this wildcard because wildcard is looks like it's you create everything, but they first remove everything, and then you want to restore certain things. That is rarely used, but let's also ensure is we get clarification on this. So with that is, I hope we already have 4 samples. You get some understanding about these 2 pairs command or keywords. If you want to use hide, you use show to redisplay that. If you use remove, you use restore to recover those certain element from the deleted model. So that keep in mind is something hide show is talking about the view level or diagram level, but remove and restore is talking about the model level. So model means is the exist or not exist. So try to distinguish this usage, and then that will help you to make adjustment on what you want to show to the audience, what you don't want to show. So that is the thing is I hope is you can make that comfortable, the correct diagram. Next video, we will move to the last one with this small group 4. So hide and remove unlinked class. It will be easier than this one. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.